the smallest feline in the world.
Why can't I do this? Hey everyone, I'm Josiah, and lately I've been considering the idea of making my own documentary videos. Thanks to AI tools, many aspects of video production have been simplified, including making documentaries. If you're keen on producing videos without being on camera like this, I've discovered an exciting method using AI. So here's how to create documentary videos using AI. Let's explore Wondershare Verbo, a robust tool for AI-assisted video creation. And you can find the link down below in the description. After you've installed Verbo, open the application and click Create Video. You'll see an AI avatar on the storyboard. This avatar can act as your video's presenter. If you want a different look, simply click Avatar to browse through a variety of options suited to different themes. For more artistic touch, check out the Talking Photo feature, which offers distinctive avatar designs. Now, once you've chosen your avatar, it's time to import your documentary materials. But what if you're having a hard time finding the right images for your footage? Well, no problem, because the Wondershare Verbo app can generate images based on text descriptions. It's a handy feature for filling content gaps. Now, let's discuss one of the most important aspects of documentary production: the voiceover. Traditionally, creating voiceovers for a longer documentary and generating subtitles for it takes a lot of time and effort. Wondershare Verbo streamlines this process significantly. Just paste your script into the text script section, then choose your preferred voiceover. With a few clicks, you have a professional sounding narration and matching subtitles. Now let's take a moment to review our final product.
Butterflies start as tiny eggs on leaves. These eggs hatch into caterpillars. The caterpillar then forms a chrysalis, transforming inside it. Finally, a beautiful butterfly emerges, ready to start the cycle again by laying eggs.
As you can see, AI technology has made documentary production more accessible than ever. Now, whether you're passionate about history, science, or any other subject, you now have the tools to share your knowledge with anyone in the world. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to start your own documentary making journey. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on digital creativity and AI-assisted production. Until next time, keep exploring and creating.